Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple and fun way to play games with your friends on Facebook. Whether you're looking to compete or just have a good time, here's everything you need to know to get started. First things first, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it's up and running, look for the Messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap it. This will take you into your Messenger conversations. Next, tap the pen icon in the top right corner to start a new message. Here, you can either select a contact from your list or type their name into the search bar to find them easily. Once you've chosen your friend, look for the More icon. It's the small plus sign usually located near the bottom of the screen. Tap it, and you'll see several options pop up. From these, select Play Games. Now comes the fun part. Browse through the list of available games and pick one that catches your eye. Facebook offers a variety of games, so whether you're into puzzles, strategy, or action-packed challenges, there's something for everyone. After selecting a game, it's time to start playing. The game will load directly within Messenger, allowing you and your friend to compete or collaborate without needing to leave the app. It's that simple. Playing games on Facebook Messenger is not only entertaining, but also a great way to stay connected with friends. So go ahead, follow these steps, and enjoy some friendly competition today.